Just out here in the white NA Miata that we painted not too while back. What I'm going to be doing today is doing some baseline testing. So right now we have factory 1.8 or 1.6 brakes on this thing with EBC yellow pads. And what I want to be doing is some 60 to 0 stop testing to show kind of the max potential right now. And then whenever we go in to do the big brakes, I'm going to go and do the same thing and try to see if there's any difference. You know, these brakes already have enough stopping power to lock up all the brakes. Even at 80 miles an hour, you can jam them and they'll lock them up. But what I'm trying to do now is going to do about 5 stops. I'm going to go down this road at about 60 miles an hour, do a stop to 0, come back, and then do it again. I'm going to do that 5 times. And then what I'll do after I do the 1.8 brakes on this thing is we'll do the same thing and find a comparison. So that's just where we're at right now, and fun little video. So. Stop, or that little mailbox right there is where we went. We go down here and turn around, and we'll do that 4 more times. Up the same spot. Right about this sign right here. Alright, so next time I do this video, well, basically what I'm going to be doing is trying to compare the stopping distance. So from about this sign, we got 4 out of 5 on that sign, to that opening right there. Let me go ahead and get out of the car and we can kind of walk the brake. You can kind of see, for some reason, it looks like that front right was doing a little bit more braking. I don't know if it was the crown on the road or whatnot. It could also just be the tires. But we'll go ahead and take that as our baseline, and I'm probably going to go down here and have some fun real quick. I'll set up the camera and show you guys, and then whenever we do the 1.8 brakes, I'll go ahead and do the same video. So